Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
I'm Abby.
We're the RC Sailors, and poor little Popeye's not with us today, but he is in spirit. Got my Popeye shirt on. Yes, yes. And of course, this is still here. The votes are very solid.
It's gonna be gone in a few days though.
And Abby got a haircut.
Nathan cuts my hair. Did you guys know that? Well, I do the front, but
I only charge $200 per cut. Anyone's welcome. No guarantees that you'll like it. But today we're at the park, so you know what that means. We are going to drive for you, not fly for you. Hey truck! Boom! Okay.
It has the plastic on it, that's why it doesn't look great.
Yeah, there's still, oh no! We like to leave that on. At least at first, Abby, for the first run, because it keeps it clean, and then after our first run we can peel the plastic off and it's clean and new again. This guy is the Feiyue FY07. I don't understand those letters together. Maybe you guys do, but you know what it looks an awful lot like? This guy sitting right here.
It also looks like the two other trucks that one looks like.
Yeah, but it resembled this the most, so we just grabbed this.
Yeah.
Now, this is the Verhoek. I don't remember the numbers.
B01.
Is it the 01? We'll have it linked in the description box below along with this. This will be the one on top.
Yep.
And then we'll link that below it.
Yeah, and in this video is where we also compare it to the WLToys 12428
briefly,
and the JJRC, some random letters and numbers.
And for those of you that are curious about the video where we're going to compare the three of these together, not this one, but the other three, it's coming. We just have to get enough people to make that video happen, but it will happen. Now, it looks a lot like this, but you can see if you put it side by side that it's a tiny bit taller on the wheelbase. It sits a little bit higher, you know, maybe an inch, half an inch or so. Trying not to exaggerate that too much, but it resembles it very much. It's really that Viterra Twin Hammers look that everybody says this is a knockoff of the Twin Hammers. Well, it kind of is, but it's a good design, and that's why we see so many knockoffs of it. Now this guy, unfortunately, is coming in around $110 through our link in the description box below, but this, the Verhoek, is about $60.
When we released this video, we shortly after, like that night, found this for $45 on Walmart. Well, since then, Walmart has increased the price to $60. Still a good deal.
Still a great deal. A great deal. Now, if you didn't buy this one, now's your chance. I'm telling you, before you even watch this video, just buy that one. So it'll be linked below. Buy this, but
that's double the price.
This is double the price. I doubt that it's going to be double the performance. But we're going to take a look. We're going to see what there is on this that could be double the price of that one. And we're going to drive it and have some fun here at the park with you guys today. So let's take a closer look, see what comes in the box very quickly, and then we will drive this. I do like the Eagle. I trust the Eagle. The battery loads just like the others with this little plastic fork that comes out, and you just pop it in here with one body clip holding it in. It's a good design because you can put slightly larger batteries in there. It's the same battery that comes with all the others. It's a 2-cell 7.4 volt lithium ion 1500 milliamp battery, and it's got a nice Dean's connector on there. It just lays in the back, nice and simple, and then this little guy lines up. Pop that in, and you plug this in. Your body clip, remember, that holds that in there. So it's a very simple setup for the design of that, and it just charges through this wall trickle charger with a little LED indicator to let you know when it's done through the balance lead. I encourage you to get a hobby grade charger. If you're going to drive something like this, get a hobby grade charger and charge stuff in 45 minutes instead of 2 or 3 hours, and do multiples at the same time, and know that your batteries are much healthier that way. So good little Dean's setup there, and the transmitter is just like the Verhoek transmitter, almost identical. The only major difference is, well, probably the stickers, because we can still do our left hand, right hand, which I like a lot, and we even have the 2 speeds, which if you remember the Verhoek video, it has the 50-50 and the 30-70. So There's not lights on this, you know, there's no LEDs installed. You do have these little fake mirrors that'll probably break off eventually, but they do look cool. You get the functioning spare tire on the back, but it's a plastic frame. If it was me right now before I ran it, I'd have to go with the Verhoek. They're both red and black. They both look great. This one has metal, this one has plastic, and you know, this is double the price. Major difference, I suppose, is the placement of the power switch. So we now have power in a better spot, if you ask me, up here, little power switch. So let me throw that back over. Everything is fully proportional, just so you guys know. The steering is very proportional. You can hold it in any direction you like if you're new and don't know what that means. Non-proportional means it's all or nothing. But this is proportional, and then we have proportional throttle as well, so we can go nice and slow if we want, or anything in between, all the way up to fast. Sounds okay. Let's drive it and just have fun. We're going to start off in the 50-50 mode. Now remember, if you want to switch, what you have to do is power everything off, then switch your transmitter, because watch. It's not doing it. The other one, oh, there it is. There, hit my ankle. When you do that, it just moves this to give you more control that way. So I like the 50-50 mode myself. Oh yeah, I got a little water there.
Don't drive through the water.
No, I don't think this is very waterproof. I like that the battery's mounted up in the back, but it's not totally waterproof. So maybe a little splash of a puddle here and there, but I wouldn't submerge the electronics on this guy. Climbs the hill just fine, but that is the small part, so there we go. Let's go up a little bigger part over here to the left of the roots. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Look how tall those have gotten.
They have gotten tall. Okay, this is about the steepest part. Let's just see if it can go right up. Normally Abby does this. She said I could drive first. All right, little rough spot there.
Feeling nice today.
I think I need to turn up the steering sensitivity. It's just not, it's taking too wide of a turn. Oh, that was so close. All right, third time's the charm, right, Abby?
Yes.
If I don't get this, you gotta go. Okay, come on, Nathan, full throttle, full throttle. Okay, all right. Everyone's begging for you to drive.
They just don't mow this hill like we need them to.
Okay, Abby, you're at the controls. Let's see what you can do here. In fact, those dual rates or sensitivity of the steering, it's as high as I can get that to go, so it can't turn any wider. Come on, Abby, come on! No! Oh! It's a little bit bigger than the Verhoek. It has more clearance. It should be able to make this. Come on, little guy. More obstacles, yeah. Oh no. They are, yeah. I got you, I got you. That was pretty stuck. You can do it. Oh, there's a little root you're stuck on. There you go. Oh no. We need a little weight in the front. Oh yeah, it needs weight. The thing I like about this style of vehicle is that you can drive it kind of as a crawler trailing vehicle, not just a basher, but it also does bashing really well too. Okay, okay, here we go. Here we go. There, Abby. Oh no! All right, we're gonna try this side here. I can still get you. You can do it. Come back up this way. It's the one that says steering trim. You've got it trimmed to the right. Huh? It's going to the right. Okay. Okay.
I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
But it hits the hill and it just needs to go right.
Yeah. Is that full throttle? Okay. She said no. There we go, there we go, there we go, there it is. Okay, okay, you got it, you got it. That was a struggle though, huh? One more time. Huh? She said she doubts she can do that again. We're gonna go one more, right here. This is it. Go, 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 go. I think she does better at a slower pace. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh. It does need weight in the front. It's very light. This one seems less powerful than all the others, and it is made out of plastic, so it's light. It's struggling to climb up that hill. Abby says, and I agree, it needs weight in the front. It just needs more weight in general. It's not a bad truck by any means, but it's not the other three. So she's at the high right now. Let's see how that performs. A little faster? Seems faster. You have one that says steering DR. That's still okay. Okay. Needs trimmed up more, yeah. A little better? All right, she's in the high right now. Oh, oh no! Oh no. That was a lot of water. That was a lot of water there, Abby. Drive it, get it aired out. That's driving straight, good. All right, can you make it up this hill in high rates? Yes, kind of. Okay. You know, it's just a little underwhelming, isn't it?
I just feel like it's gonna flip the whole time.
Well, let me try a little more. I'd like to drive it some more. Yeah, I definitely want to drive it more. Okay, I'm at the controls now. Abby says she feels like it's going to roll or flip all the time, so let's see. Oh, did something? No, it was a leaf. I thought something fell off of it. It doesn't feel as like tough and hobby grade as the others. It feels like they've got some plastic parts in there where maybe the others had metal and it's just falling short. Now I feel like maybe you turned up the dual rates a little more. Cause
I didn't touch dual rates for the 12th time,
okay,
Nathaniel.
All right. It just felt like it was turning a bit sharper.
No, I only did trim.
On the asphalt. Oh
See,
yeah,
look at
once
that.
you go full throttle, you really lose all control. Okay, let's see if we can hit a little bump going this way.
Don't hit the pedal.
No, no, no. No water. No water. As much as I want to.
For real.
Because it would be awesome. It's going to rain again. Guys, we have just been dealing with tons of rain. Hear all that wind?
Yeah, it's going to rain.
That's why we're not flying drones right now, all this wind. But it's good to have a truck. Oh, it just rolled even on the asphalt. That's why the dual rates are so low.
I don't know, something's just off about
I think
this
the
one.
tires are too big on this or something. It just doesn't feel right.
And the price is wrong on this one too.
Oh, the price is way wrong. It's like Feiyue wanted to compete with the JJRC and the VerHuck trucks that did it right. So they made their version and just did something wrong. It's just rolling when it shouldn't roll. It's
look at
something's
that.
not right about it. Okay, what else would I want to see if I was someone watching this video? I would definitely want to see me take this in that water puddle, but I am not the kind of person that ruins things just for views.
Well, I already put it in the water.
Most of the time.
I already put it in the water.
Should we do it again? We don't even have a slow motion camera.
No, I said I already had it in the water for people.
True. But it wasn't a cool, close, slow motion shot.
No.
Well, don't get me wrong. Don't get me totally wrong here. I'm complaining a little bit about this. It's a great little truck.
But the price is at least half.
I would say, here's how I'm going to rank this. If the JJRC, the WLToys, and the VerHuck trucks didn't exist, I would say this is cool and probably almost worth it. If they would get it under $100, I'd feel better about recommending it. But because we live in a real world and you're watching real people review this, where we know you guys are spending your hard-earned real money, I say go check out the Verhoek one, especially while it's $60, because that's a steal. And the WLToys and the JJRC versions. This is cool. I do love that you can just, oh, you're left-handed? Here you go. Oh, you're right-handed? Thanks. And then you have the different
But that's
rates.
not $60 more.
No, it's actually $50 more, roughly.
Whatever.
But yeah, almost double the price. And the Verhoek, you can do that too, okay? It's hard to review this as like a standalone, not that I'm even totally reviewing it, just giving my opinions. It's hard to give you my opinion of this as a standalone truck. That fly's, it bit me. It's biting me. It's biting me. Guys, we have this crazy fly like attacking us. It's biting me. It's hard to give you my opinion of this as a standalone truck when I know that there are others out there that are well worth your money.
That are built basically the same.
Yeah. Now, I like this. I'll keep it because it is cool and it looks like the others. I'm going to keep this. But
it's very underwhelming.
It's underwhelming. I can't feel good at the end of the day. When I go to sleep tonight, there's no way I can tell you to go buy this.
No,
when
don't
you
buy
could
this.
buy one that performs better for half the price. Come on.
Go watch the Verhoek video. Any of those three, you'll be happy.
At the top of the screen.
And in the description box.
Yes, and at the end of the video, we'll have that. Someone's coming to arrest us right now.
I think so. I think you're in trouble.
I was speeding in it with the RC thing. Okay, guys. Everything that you'll need is linked in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!